YouTube. What's the word? I'm about to do 2 stitch braids in my hair. Baked edition. Yeah. I meant to post some videos, but life and. But I got a couple bloopers to post eventually though. So, but yeah. 2 stitch braids, finna go bake, and we'll be back to braid my hair. Let's go.
3 days later.
All right, I got both parts sectioned off. First one down. Bro, they would call me Lazy Bones. Shit on TikTok. That shit ain't funny, bro. All the way to the back and the braids. Yeah, we just did the foam wrap, and we'll be back tomorrow. Take the do-rag off to see the final results. 2 stitch braids. Let's go.
3 days later.
All right, so these are the results. 2 stitch braids, baked edition. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials. Also, drop a comment. What kind of videos should I do in the future? What y'all want to see from me? Let me know. Drop a comment.